Hi, what's up? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Anthony Lee GMC. Yes, so this video today, I love to sharing with you about the way how to boost your video performance on Facebook in 2020. That will make your video to be perform better and get more engaged on Facebook. So just make sure to subscribe for my channel so you can get notifications about all the new videos that I release every day. Okay, so let's see. The reason that's why I make the video today is because nowadays Facebook in 2020 we already have a more than 2.6 billion active user every month. So this is considered as the biggest social media platform on the world right now. So if you have the good brand and if you really want to boost your brand awareness on social media and get more deals, get more clients, Facebook is a platform that you cannot ignore. And especially Facebook videos is the best performance on this platform. This is the reason that's why I make this video to sharing with you about 5 hacks that you can apply for your Facebook video that get more engaged and get more view for your Facebook video. So the first thing that you need to do to make your Facebook video perform well is let's turn it into the square video. So what is the reason? That's why we need to create the square video rather than just make the normal video like horizontal video and public on the Facebook. The reason is nowadays the users normally consume the content on Facebook based on their smartphone. Yeah. So when you use smartphone, people have a tendency to use smartphone in vertical way. So when you create the square video, it's very easy for people to watch the video on their smartphone, as well as the square video is create a better feeling for the customer, for the viewers when they watch the video. So this is the reason that's why now you can see a lot of brands that they turn their video on the Facebook into the square video. And in another way, Facebook and Instagram, you can use the one content for both Facebook and Instagram, because on Instagram all the video would be the square video. So if you make a square video at the beginning, you can use it for both video on Facebook and video on Instagram. And the second tip is focus on the first 3 seconds. Yeah, because nowadays on Facebook we have a million uploads every single day. So people just scroll and then they can easily to ignore your post. However, if you can grab their attention at the first 3 seconds, it means that you will have more opportunities to make them to watch the through whole your video. So how you can grab the attention of the viewer for the first 3 seconds? So I have 3 tricks that you can apply to do this one. The first one is you will create the great thumbnail, because great thumbnail they will create the curious and encourage people to click into your video and start to watch for the first 3 videos to see what your video is about. And the second one is that you can create the question or a concern at the first 3 seconds. For example, like, what do you think about da da da? Yeah. So the kind of question that will make people feel curious. They will think, okay, so how this guy will solve this problem? So what is the topic this talk about? Yeah, so when people feel curious and concerned, they will have attention to watch the video for the longer time, and they can watch more than 3 seconds. It can be go 10 seconds and even whole video when you have a good question or the good concern at the beginning, 3 seconds. And the final trick is you can use the short or the sprite footage in your video to put at the beginning. So when people see a footage in your video that is short or is sprite at the beginning, people will want to see why it's close to this footage. So they will go from that footage and they go through whole the video to see, okay, the story that you make to cause the short or the sprite footage that you put at the beginning. Yeah, and the third way to boost your video performance on Facebook is add your caption. Yeah, so maybe you will wonder why we need to add the caption if you already have a very good English. For example, if you use the language in the same language like if I make a video content about Vietnamese people, I speak Vietnamese. So I mean that you will think, okay, you have good English or you have a good Vietnamese, good language. People understand you, but why you still need add caption? Because you know, on Facebook, more than 80% people are watching video without voice. Yeah. The reason is because people can watch the videos when they are working or when they are in the class or when they are in the public transport. So this is the reason that many people, they just focus on is the image is on the full text. They don't open the voice. So when you have a good caption, you will easier to get attention from them, so they can see, okay, if I want to watch you in the public transport or in the class, I still can understand you and watch your video because you have it at the caption. However, if you don't have it at the caption, it will be very hard for me to can understand through whole the story until when I hear what you say. However, in the case that I say you in the work office or in the class, you cannot open the voice or you cannot wear the headphone to listen to the video, right? So make sure to add the caption in your video, especially for your branding video, because it will have the more audience can approach to your content. And the number 4 is you need to have the call to action. Yeah, so this is an authentic and very excellent way for you to boost your video performance on Facebook. Because when you don't have the call to actions, or we call CTA, people will don't understand that's what they need to do to support you. However, when you make a CTA, call to action, people will know, okay, so after they watch this video, what they need to do. For example, like after you make a video, you will have a call to action that make sure to subscribe for my channel to get more daily content about the marketing tip and about e-commerce, for example, like that. So people will think, okay, he want me to make subscribe for his channel or for the video, so after that I can get a lot of interesting content from him, for example, like that. So people will subscribe the channel for you, or people will contact with you to ask the question, or maybe you can ask like, give me the comment below, so people can comment below to share their experience, to share their feeling about how they feel when they watch the video. This is call to action, very, very important if you want to get more engaged, because on the algorithm of Facebook, they recommend the video, the content that have a more engagement and reactions compared to another video that have very good, excellent content, however don't have the good reaction and many comment or many engagement. So make sure to have a call to action to your video content on Facebook. And number 5, this is filter your top video. Yeah, so what it means? Filter your top video, it means that if you have the fan page on Facebook, when you upload the video content, you can see that they will have the filter video. So it gives you opportunity that put the video that you feel the most interesting for the audience to watch when they come to your fan page. So make sure to put the top content that you have on filter video, because the top content is mean that the content that have the most engagement and the most viewer. So when a person who is the first time come to your fan page and they watch your filter video, they can see a tons of view and a tons of engagement. It builds the trust for them to be like, okay, your brand is really good, your brand is awesome, it's fantastic. So they want to follow your brand on Facebook to get more information about your brand and more content from you. Even that you are the small business and you don't have a lot of video that be viral, the future content that just need only one content that you can use like the pay ads, or you can do organic, or you share with a friend that have a ton of views and put that one on the top, and another one that maybe don't have a lot of views, but it's okay, because this one is the target is to focus on the persons who are the first time come to your Facebook page, and what you want is to impress them the most as you can. Yes, and this is the top 5 ways to boost your performance of video on Facebook in 2020 that I love to sharing with you guys. And if you have any questions about Facebook ads and about social media marketing, just give me a comment below, and I love to sharing with you all my knowledge and information that I got that can help you to build up your business and marketing strategy on social media. Thank you for watching the video from me, Anthony Lee GMC, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.